Hello everyone, and welcome to the CalU online learning environment. This is going to be one of your most exciting times to begin to be able to learn. My name is Dr. Emily Sweitzer, and I'm a professor of sociology, social deviance here at CalU. I've been teaching online for quite some time now, and I bet I've even had a number of you in class already. So here I am to share some helpful tips with you to make this the most successful, enjoyable transition for you. One of my first tips is to find a good place to learn. Pick a place that you're the most comfortable in, a place that is free from distractions and is quiet. The second tip is to pick a good time. This is your time now. Pick the time that works best for you. What works best for you for learning, what works best for you for attention span. And this leads me to my third tip. Make sure that you keep this a routine. Use this time and this place each and every day, or at least every day, so that you can keep up with your studies. The fourth tip, and one of the most important tips, is to take frequent breaks. Bring along your favorite cup of coffee, your favorite cup of tea, your bottled water, your chips. Take a break when you're needed. This isn't a marathon session. It's just like going to class, only in a different environment. The fifth tip is what I always remind my students to do. Print out your syllabi and all your learning materials. If you have PowerPoints, if you have reading assignments, download them or print them out. Put them in special folders on your desktop or on your hard drive or in a 3-ring binder. I suggest you do this because you can access these materials at any time with or without an internet connection, for times when you just may want to review the material. The sixth tip is to ask questions. That's what we're here for. If you don't understand something, email your professor, chat with your professor, Zoom with your professor. Ask them those questions just like you would in a regular online learning environment, because this helps us too. When you ask questions, we're able to restructure our learning materials so that you and your classmates have a better opportunity for understanding course material. The seventh tip is to set up a calendar. Use your desktop calendar, use your iPhone calendar, use a regular hard copy calendar. Sometimes those giant 11 by 17 calendars that you can put on a desktop or a table are the best to write assignments and due dates down. The eighth tip is to check your email. You download the CalU email app to your phone, or check your email readily from your computer each and every day, because this is going to be a way that we as professors, your classmates, CalU, communicate with deadlines and specific information that you may need to learn. The ninth tip is to engage. What you're going to find is that people often engage more in an online learning environment than they sometimes even do in a regular classroom environment. That person who sat next to you all semester long, who maybe didn't utter a word, is oftentimes the most vocal in an online learning environment. And the 10th tip, make sure you enjoy yourself. This is a time for you to shine, to learn new perspectives, to learn a new and novel way to learn. So take that time to enjoy it. And one of the most important things is you can even do all of this in your pajamas. Nobody will ever know. So I'll see you soon.